Here's the thing most creators miss. When you try to copy a viral video by watching it and eyeballing it, you copy the surface, the product, the transition, the one specific moment that stood out. But the reason the video worked was underneath. The ratio between the hook and the payoff, the way the camera moved through the space, the timing between the first frame and the first cut, the visual density of the opening shot. Marketing agencies charge thousands of dollars to break down viral videos this way. They watch frame by frame, note every camera move, every cut, every color choice, every text placement, and they turn it into a brief. That's the actual value. Viral Studio automates that entire breakdown process and then goes one step further. It gives you a customizable starting point where you swap in your own product, your own character, your own location, and it generates the prompts to build the video. Step 1. Feed it a trending video. Head to app.edvid.ai and open Viral Studio from the sidebar. There are two ways in. You can paste a link to a supported video from TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, or you can upload your own footage directly if you're working from a reference file. I'm going with a link today. I pulled a trending product ad from TikTok, one of those before and after skincare transformation videos with 60 million views. The kind of format that keeps coming back because it works. Copy the URL, paste it into Viral Studio, hit Analyze. The AI opens the video and starts breaking it down. This takes about 30 to 60 seconds. While it runs, notice what Viral Studio is actually looking at. It's not just watching the video, it's identifying the opening hook, the exact first frame technique the creator used. It's mapping the scene structure, how many cuts, in what order, with what pacing. It's reading the camera language. Pans, zooms, angles, whether the camera moves or holds. It's registering the visual style, color palette, lighting, aesthetic references, and it's timing the whole thing to the second. Step 2. Read the full breakdown. The analysis comes back. This is where Viral Studio earns its name. You get a structured breakdown of exactly why the video works. Opening hook. Close up on the product held next to the face at a specific angle. Warm indoor lighting. No text overlay for the first 1.2 seconds. Pattern interrupt through pure visual curiosity. Scene structure. 5 scenes, each between 1.5 and 3 seconds, with the reveal beat placed at the 4-second mark to hook viewers past the average scroll away threshold. Camera language. Static handheld with slight forward push on the reveal. No cuts within scenes, hard cuts between them. Visual style. Warm skin tones, natural window light, minimal props, one background color throughout. Read that description again. That is a professional creative brief. It's the exact document a production team would build after watching the video 10 times. Viral Studio generated it in under a minute. This alone is worth the feature. You now understand what makes this video work at a structural level, and you can apply that to any future video you make, even without using DeeVid to produce it.
So close, go back to black. Let's go tip for tap, oh you wish for that. Classy girl was a good girl now. Who's gonna love you, who's gonna love you? If I fall away, oh, darling, I love you.
Step 3. Swap the ingredients. Here's where it goes from analysis to production. Viral Studio takes the structural breakdown and turns it into customizable prompts and visual references. You keep the winning structure, but you replace everything on the surface with your own version. I can swap the character, the product, the location, the background, the clothing, and the visual elements. My skincare ad becomes a coffee brand ad. The reveal moment is now a cup of pour-over instead of a face close-up. Same 3-scene structure, same 4-second reveal beat, same warm handheld camera language, same color palette, but the entire subject changes. This is the piece that matters most. The structure, which is what made the original video viral, stays intact. The surface, which is what makes your video yours, changes completely. It's not copying, it's adapting a proven pattern to a new message. That distinction is exactly what DeeVid states clearly. Viral Studio is for creative analysis and adaptation, not direct copying, and you're responsible for the rights on anything you upload. Now the workflow continues inside DeeVid. Once your customized concept is ready, Viral Studio hands the prompts and visual references directly into DeeVid's video generation tools. No exporting, no copy-pasting into a separate app. The structure, the prompts, and the references flow straight into the generation engine. DeeVid runs the video through its production stack. Text to video, image to video, camera work matched to the reference, pacing matched to the breakdown. My coffee ad renders with the same viral structure the original TikTok used, but with completely different subject matter, completely different visuals, and my own brand direction. Total time from pasting the reference link to a finished draft video, around 10 minutes. Compare that to the old workflow. Watch the trending video 15 times. Try to eyeball the structure. Write prompts from memory. Generate. Realize the pacing is off. Regenerate. Adjust. 2 hours later, you have a video that only kind of matches the original's energy. Viral Studio compresses that entire loop into one connected workflow. Short-form creators studying successful formats and building their own version of what works right now. Social media managers who need to test 5 creative directions this week for the same product. Brands turning a viral trend into a product-specific version before the trend fades. Agencies producing dozens of variations for different clients from the same underlying structure. And beginners who want to understand short-form storytelling by seeing how successful videos are actually built, not just watched. The tool doesn't replace creative judgment. It removes the reverse engineering time that stands between spotting a working format and being able to use its structure in your own work. Link to DeeVid Viral Studio is in the description. Free to try. Paste any trending video link and see what the breakdown gives you before you commit to anything. Drop a comment with the viral video you'd analyze first, the one you've been meaning to reverse engineer for weeks. I want to see what formats people are actually studying right now. Subscribe for more tutorials on the AI tools that are genuinely changing how creative work gets made.